Hello, your traders family. Hope so you guys are fine and your trading is going very well. So today we are going to discuss about gold technically and fundamentally. That what first of all, if you will look at the fundamentally, so we will see that what are the important days for the gold where we can see a big movements. So first of all, if you will look at on the forexfactory.com, so you guys can see here that on Monday we have the today we have the strong news regarding euro, and on the Tuesday there is no strong news regarding for the gold. But if you look at on the Wednesday is also important. If you will look at here 10-year bond auction and FMC member Mr. Speaks. And if you will look at on the Thursday, so there's a Thursday is a much more important day for the gold, that is core CPI and CPI. So if I will give you the ranking, so Thursday would be the most important day for the gold. Wednesday is also the important day for the gold, and today would also we can see a big movements. So now we will move towards the technically. So if you will look at on the technically side of the gold, so I have firstly opened a daily time frame chart for you guys, and you guys can see here right now that two trend lines. So in a reddish area, so you guys can see here, brother, basically I have explained these two trend lines with you with many times, and I have told you guys that market is in the symmetrical or triangular patterns. So market is just waiting for the possibility. So you guys can see here market retest this upper side, then again market just comes down till 1785. So right now market is again going to be it's near to 1840. Then market is basically stuck in this region. So but today the purpose of the video is also the same thing, because there is we can see a little bit a breakout. So this is the right now particular scenario. So if you look at on the long term side, so you guys can see here that market is basically stuck in a symmetrical triangular pattern, and market just needs a proper breakout. So if market will break from the upside, so we can look for the high side. So if market will break from the downside, so we can look for the long term sell trades. So right now, without wasting time, so we will, if you look at on the 4-hour time frame chart, so here I can see a little bit rejection, and here I can see one candle which is telling me that market is going to be, which is just indicating us that market is little bit changing its direction. So I'm just sharing my analysis with you guys on the behalf of my knowledge. So I will not say recommend you guys to trade on this thing. I'm just sharing my knowledge with you guys. So right now you guys can see here that I am just taking the chart from the 15th of December 2021 until now. So if you will look at on the here, I can see some parallel areas for the gold. So you guys can see here that I'm going to draw some parallel lines with you guys. Yeah, that's perfect. So right now basically, brother, if you guys can see here that market is basically in this region. So market is basically in this region, is this trading region. So and we can see here that market just comes down, again moves upside, again comes down, again moves upside, and market just simply break this area, and then again market goes for the retest. So we can see here that maybe market will, if market will show us any rejection in this type of areas, so we will look for the long term sell trade. That would be first target would be 1785, and then next target would be 1755 or 1760. So this is the possible position for the gold right now we have. So if you look at on the other side, so if market will break this area like 1815, so on 1816 area, this area 1817, you guys can see here, this is the possible for our resistance 1812 till 1815. So this is our resistance area. So if market will be able to break out this area 1817, you guys can open for the buy limit, and your targets would be at least 1820 30 or 1828. And you guys can see open also a sell position here, but with a smaller stop loss. And if market will break out this area also, so I can assume a higher and bigger breakout towards the upside. So this is all what I am looking right now in the gold time frame chart. I hope so that I have tried my best to understand to analyze it. And one more good news for you guys, everyone, we are brother. Today we are going to start our Zoom trading session, and where we will look and analyze about the gold, about the all the markets, about all the things, all the necessary and all the important things which are useful for the trading, like technically how to analyze the market technically, how to analyze the market fundamentally, what is forex, how to select the brokers, and a lot of things regarding the indicators, regarding the retracement. So don't try to miss out the things. So it's a very useful course for you guys, and you must have to join that session. So if you have any question regarding that and this thing, so you can direct message me, Sulaiman Khan Niazi, on Telegram, or otherwise for another thing, so you can contact to admin, like you guys can contact for to admin for registration and other stuff, Rio Vivek. And I hope so this video will be very useful for you guys. Stay blessed, and happy week, happy next working days for you guys. Stay blessed.